Hello my dear friends and welcome back to Learning is Fun. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, press the subscribe option and bell icon for more notifications. Now today's video is about STEM activities in kids. So let's get started. So let me tell you something about STEM. STEM is basically an acronym for science, T for technology, E for engineering and M for mathematics. Now this was a term that was first used by the US government, but in 2011 it became an important part of our curriculum for our preschoolers too. Now our preschoolers are supposed to be introduced to STEM at an early age because STEM can do a lot of wonderful things for them as they are natural explorers. It does not only include activities that deal with experiments or with solving questions on a worksheet. It actually applies real life skills and your thinking skills too. Activities include making a garden at home or playing with sand and water, or maybe just experimenting out with their mom in the kitchen. That's science, that's magic. Then comes your technology department. Technology doesn't only mean the smartphone or the computers. It means asking about how simple machines work, how wheels and pulleys work. You must have seen that children usually are finding out everything, how this works and how that works. That, my dear, is technology. It regularly happens. With blocks, they're building structures, they're making castles, they're making models of jet planes, they're making more. So that is engineering. And maths, as you know, maths is not only counting, it's sequencing, it's patterning. I have here prepared a few activities from science that we can do at our home with a little supervision and have some fun with our kids. In my next video, I will present to you some technology related activities that we can do with our young ones. I call the first activity Magic Balloon. We require baking soda, vinegar, an empty bottle and a balloon for this activity. Fill the balloon with 1/3 of baking soda. You can also use a funnel for this activity to avoid mess. In the same manner, put the balloon on the bottle and slowly drop in the baking soda. You will see that after a while the vinegar reacts with the baking soda, giving out carbon dioxide gas, due to which the balloon starts rising. That's the reason why we call it the magic balloon. The next activity, known as tornado in a jar, we require water, dishwash liquid and a jar. Put in the dishwash liquid in the water that's already in the jar and tighten the cap nicely. Then give it a good shake. You can swirl it, you can twist it, and then the result will be a sandstorm in the jar. You can see it looks like a storm in the jar. Shaking of the water creates a vortex which looks like a sandstorm. I call the next activity lava lamp. We require oil, water, food coloring and a dispersion tablet for this activity. So let's start. Take some water in a bottle and add some vegetable oil to it. Do this slowly and carefully, and I would prefer you to use a funnel to avoid spillage. I had also used coconut oil, but the result was not so good, so I will prefer and tell you to use vegetable oil. After that, add some food coloring agent into this mixture. On adding the food coloring agent, we will see that the mixture will turn into red color, but still the oil will float on top of the water. Then we add the dispersion tablets, which is broken into small pieces. We now see that little bubbles are created. These little bubbles are actually created by the tablet that's causing a carbon dioxide gas to go up, and when they reach the top of the oil, they hit back down. On to the next experiment, volcano in a bottle. We require a jar, baking soda, vinegar, wet mud for the mound. I have prepared already a mound fill at least half of the mound with baking soda. Then add some food coloring. So this will give the effect of red lava. Then you can take the vinegar and add the vinegar slowly. you will see that the volcano will start erupting. I have come to an end of my video. I would like to thank you for watching, and if you are still not subscribed, subscribe to my channel.